subscribe my YouTube channel Majestic Nisarg and also click the bell button for more updates and quick notifications.
Welcome to my channel Majestic Nisarg. Please like, share, subscribe my channel and also click the bell button. Today I'm going to show you some tricks. Let's start. So this trick is going to be easy one. You guys can already quickly find these three things. The candle you need. You can do whatever you can do. I'm using a big one that is going to be good because I want to sell on my page because I'm going to no, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. Gas lighter, and you need a bowl. Okay. Smoking skill. You see, guys, that's a trick of glitch. It's a glitch. You see. And see, this is keep going and keep going. If you guys don't see this at home, you need a bottle, a small candle, cut out light candle, and this one you can't change it because that's how it works. On this one you can't change it on this one. Okay, guys, you just need that size and the gas lighter. First we need to just open it and quickly. I'm holding it. Guys, look, it's not first. Up like this. It's into black. I'm gonna be saying this to the wind. Let's see. You didn't let me do this one because that's what gonna happen. I was just because there's no guys. Okay, now how do I do? Now how do I drink water? Now how do I drink water? This is the stupidest problem with this leather body. Then how do I drink water? Now it is broken water. I can play roll up with guys. Look at this cold trick I can do with my mouth. Yeah, see, this is my powers. I'm telekinesis mouth power. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So click the bell button. Next time I will show you more interesting things. Bye.